Whenever I tell you that you can make money even as an entry level individual, don't doubt me. So as you can see here, this is $4,000 budget for an entry level person. In fact, this one you don't need to be a full-fledged professional. When you come up here again, you see this one that is saying $4,000, $4K. It is the budget, and they are just looking for a customer support rep. It is an entry level. You don't need to have too much skill. You can just go on Digital Divine ND to do a course on customer support, and it is free. So there is nothing stopping you from making money on the street of internet. Nothing stopping you. So, hello beautiful people, how are you doing? Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So in this video today we'll be talking about how you can make $4,000 for free, and at the end of this video I'll be sharing with you the particular website that will pay you, that will connect you with people that will pay you this particular amount. So as you can see, there are a lot of people on this website that are willing to pay you. Some of them don't pay up to that, depending on what you can offer, you get, depending on your skill and ability. And some of them you can offer these jobs at entry level. You understand? You can offer these jobs at entry level. You understand me? And you get paid. In fact, when you look down, there are a lot of posters that are payment verified. This particular guy is looking for a virtual assistant, someone that can help him with email and all of that. And he has so far spent 4,000 plus on this website. So he is legit and he can pay. And there are a lot and a lot of companies on this website. As you can see, so far so good. There's about 773 jobs for available when you type in entry chat. When you type in entry chat support, you understand, whatever you know that you can offer on this website, you just come here, type it in on the question bar section, and then you go through it and see which one is okay for you. This particular poster has actually spent $7 million on this website. Like, he just needs an account manager, someone that can manage his charts and his email at least 30 hours plus a week, and is willing to pay between $3 to $6 for every hour. So now if you spend like maybe like okay, now if you spend 30 hours a week on this particular website, you'll be making about $180 in a week. Now once you convert that $180 into the Nigerian currency, that will be making you over, let's just say that will be making you about 120,000 naira in a week. So imagine 120,000 naira multiplied by 4, that will be making you close to 500,000 naira here in Nigeria in a week for doing simple stuffs. You understand? So now you have jobs that will pay you as low as $10. You have jobs that will pay you as high as $4,000, $5,000, depending on what you can offer. This particular one is just looking for a virtual assistant for an IT company that can work for 8 hours. 8 hours, and his budget is $400. Now, this is something on this website. There are also scammers on this website, but you as a freelancer, you cannot get scammed on this website, because the money that is being paid by your contractors or by your clients is actually held by this website. So they verify both ends before you receive your money. But to avoid wasting of time, just scroll down to the poster's details and check where it says payment verified. Most of the people that have been on this website and they pay more, you see how much they've spent so far. So it means this particular poster is serious. Now let's take a look at this particular poster. He has spent $5,000 already employing people on this website. Let's check, let's click on it. So for you just to know the type of jobs that they post on this website. Now it says virtual assistant for IT company, 8 hours of work. Now this virtual assistant contract to hire opportunity. This is the complete details of the job. Now, so far so good. This particular person has gotten 50 proposal. Before the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can also get your proposal, because for you to get a job that will pay you such money, you need to be creative about the proposal. You understand? And they are interviewing three people. So imagine out of 50 that applied, they chose three individuals. What if you are you are one of the lucky three? You understand? So far so good. This guy hires a lot. He has 38 hires already. People that are working for him on this website, 38 people already. You understand, that are working for him on this website. So if you are an additional person working for him on this website, you definitely get paid. Now these are the, how will I say it, like reviews of people that have worked with him. Velami is a great client, very communicative and easy to work with. Would gladly love to work with him again given the opportunity. This is a good client. If you see a client that you're able to see how much the client has spent on this website, feedback of freelancers that have worked with him and are good, this is a very good website. So the name of this website is Upwork. As you can see, Upwork, Upwork. Now Upwork, once you type in upwork.com, you need to sign up. You click on I am a freelancer. They'll give you these two options. Please click on I am a freelancer so that you'll be able to, able to send your proposals and whatever. So apply as a freelancer. You click on apply as a freelancer. Now you have to fill in these details. I already have an account with them, so I won't be filling it in because you're only allowed to have one single account. But you just need to fill in your first name, your last name, your email, your password, and choose your country. So for me, my country is Nigeria, so I chose Nigeria. Don't be scared to choose Nigeria as your country, please, because there are a lot of Nigerians on this website that are making tons of dollars. So now you tick this button, you tick this other one that says yes I understand, and you click on create my account. So this is what the dashboard looks like. Now you can get unlimited jobs on this website that you can apply for. As you can see, this particular budget is for entry level, and the guy is paying $100 for just like a fixed price budget. This other one is also entry level and is $100 as well. So please don't be scared of either you are an entry level or not, but please do well to follow your client instructions here. So now I'll be showing you guys how you can get your proposal and send to your client. The first thing you need to do is, when you pick a job, let's look for a job that we can pick here. Yeah, let's look for a job that we can pick. So this virtual assistant job, let's click on this virtual assistant job. So my client here wants to pay between $10 to $20 for an hour. So let's say I'll be charging the client $15 an hour. And in a day, if I decide to work for like 10 hours, I'll be making $150. Now, it says we are seeking for a reliable virtual assistant to handle administrative tasks to keep our business running smoothly. This position requires excellent organizational skills, attention to details, and the ability to manage multiple tasks simultaneously. The ID candidate should possess excellent communication skills and be proficient in using project management tools and Microsoft Office suite. Specific tasks includes but are not limited to handling emails, scheduling appointments, managing social media accounts, data entries, and research. Now, these are what they want in who they are looking for. Now, if you're sending your proposal, they said they want you to attach a resume. You understand? Which you can rewrite your resume online for free. Please make sure that what you're looking for is either in line with what you have in your profile, because you need to fill out your profile. So if it's not there, if you're applying for a particular job, or if you're applying for a kind of job, please make sure that your profile or what you say you offer actually aligns with what you are applying for. You understand? If it's not, go and change it, so because your client will actually go through your profile and look through and see all of that. So now if you're looking to write a proposal, I'll just open a Chrome browser and I'll type in chat gpt. To type in chat gpt on your browser, open AI, and you open it like this. If you don't have an account with them, you can sign up. It is very free. You understand? It is very free, because this video is all about you making money for free. Now you can type in any message that you want on chat gpt here, but before you type that in, just minimize your browser, come back to Upwork, go through all the instruction the person is looking for. Now you click on apply. Now once you click on apply here, this is the proposal setting. Virtual assistant, view job posting. Now you need to set your pricing. Once you come here, you set your pricing, how much you want the person to pay you. But this particular client's budget is $3 for an hour. You understand? So if you're like me now, my own setting is $5 an hour. That is my own setting. So but due to this client's budget, I need to bring down my settings, as in I need to bring down what I charge an hour. Now here is where the cover letter will be, and the cover letter is the proposal. You understand? The cover letter here is the proposal. After going through the details, you come to ChatGPT and you click on write a virtual social media assistant proposal, and then you minimize it again for you to, and then you click on send. Now ChatGPT will write the proposal for you. Now what you have to do is to edit this proposal. Go to your Play Store, download WPS. This is even too much. You understand? Just pick the few ones that you can pick there, edit it and send to your client, and that is how you get worthy client that will pay you on Upwork. As you can see, this is a lot. So don't come here and tell me that you don't know what to write. ChatGPT has already outlined how you write your proposal. You need to know your client's name or your client's company. It's usually mentioned in the job requirement. You need to include the date or the address, and you need to also check the location. Now, dear client, or dear dear Mr. John, dear whatever, I'm writing to propose our services as a virtual social media assistant for you. Now blah blah blah. That is all you need. I don't want this video to be extremely long, and this is a sample of a proposal that you can submit on Upwork or on any website that you're looking for job. So guys, without wasting much of our time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please do subscribe to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, love you.